Hi, I'm Frankie Riviera. Let's talk about Fusion development in 1 minute. Fusion development is the combination of using low-code and pro-code application development practices using Power Apps and the Azure Cloud. On the pro-code side, your professional developers can use their custom code configurations, their APIs, and other Azure services that can be easily consumed by low-code and no-code developers. Your low-code and no-code developers can then rapidly create applications using Microsoft's Power Platform, and they can consume the pro-code custom business logic when needed. Save time, money, and resources by optimizing your developer landscape with low-code and pro-code developers. Automate processes and leverage new business models by taking advantage of rapidly scalable low-code and pro-code development. Increase developer velocity and agility by having your pro-code developers focus on complex business logic required for your backend applications, while empowering low-code and no-code developers to create business applications that leverage those backend services on demand. Let's look at some examples of Fusion development. Leverage Azure Functions as an easy go-between between complex algorithms and data sources to connect to your Power Platform applications. Build out Power Platform custom connectors in order to leverage your internal and external APIs. Empower your low-code, no-code developers to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence behind the scenes. Fusion development teams can also leverage GitHub to better collaborate with code repositories for custom connectors and your low-code and pro-code logic. Here's a list of additional resources that you can use to learn more about Fusion development. This has been a 1-minute overview about Fusion development. Thanks, and have a great day.